It's Casey Brown TV show. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's Casey Brown TV show. If it's your first time here, please try to subscribe and hit your hand on the notification bell for more videos and updates. Here we talk about migrants, document issues. So we are here to learn and to educate ourselves. So today let's drop it down. Understand? One of our brother, when I say here, I just come educate ourselves, understand? Because so many things we know as the sub for the Europe side, easy, We know say not easy, but we could make our hands still clean, understand? We will make our way clean for us, understand? Make some of our people know they use their own to rob the rest people own. No. This our brother. He dey stay for Torino. Understand? You don't tell this guy they do all those mafia level, understand? They push all those things, all those things where the waiting the country no need for that country, waiting they know put as illegal thing. This is illegal, it's not legal to do this kind of stuff. All those drug stuff. Now this guy go put his hands, they do. So many more years they pass. Might tell you one thing, people will plan for all those kind of thing. The day when you start that level, Kara police, they don't know, but you not gonna know. For this Europe, all those street lights you see, na camera na from inside, but you not gonna know. I will tell you. Okay, tell you how a person will commit crime, underground crime, go keep us for anywhere they like for this Europe or Italy. They must find the person, they must see the person. Tell me why. So your handprint, your footstep, everything if they investigate very well, they go still find the person. So the day when you start saying you want to do all those kind of things to do all those drug level, the day when you start, they go know. They know. Might tell you. So you want to come with the shoot to give people. They know. No matter how you want it, they banner. Say God, they stand for you. They go know. But they go fair leave you when you do upgrade. You get when you come upgrade, reach, you come let's say you want to come be the master, you want to come the blessing, you don't the gather boys. And there they come ready for you. This is our brother now. He don't tell you now they come ready for him. For Torino, they come bust am, carry am. As e dey now, e dey sentence. They see the judge in case. So why people wey dey the house wey still dey, many of them now they go still dey, and as in they go still dey sentence, they go still dey ask the questions. For this Europe, you give person house or you rent house, give person. Or person house where you dey stay, in hand no dey clean, e dey do all those kind level. You wey dey live with the person, if the day when they come bust that person, you go see the problem. They go say you deal with person who they do this kind of thing. No matter how you want to explain, you know this kind of person and this kind of thing they do. You know get where you go they work. If you come inside, now that thing they do, and you know go feel the nice say now that kind of thing they do. So may you be careful the kind of friends where they follow. May you be careful the kind of person you rent your apartment give. May you be careful for the kind of person when you go stay in the person where you want to go rent house from. Know what the kind of thing with the person they do. Before person can put you for problem where you don't know. It don't happen. So one boy, he put person for house. The person he put for house, he knows that kind of thing they do. He say na normal show. But when they bust this guy, they arrest the guy, arrest the person where he put for house. This guy must chop 4 years before that person come talk. So this man don't know anything for his side. For the film is that guy with money where the guy wife spend for lawyer. No be so this guy don't carry on. Understand? So now we need to be careful. We know say we want money. We will be Nigeria or body to the hot. Nigeria, what will they rush for? The life Nigeria. Understand? What will they rush? Small money become. If your family they stop you, now you take the position there. It's not easy for people from the countryside. If it's easy for Nigeria, I want be for Europe. Europe now is grand. Europe no easy. Men know they sleep for streets. Men get house where they pay for. Men get bills where they pay. So we still get our own expenses for this countryside. So the family still need to understand. Now all these kinds of things the way they happen, and then make some family. Now the family they push to them for our boys or our girls to go they do some kind of things for streets. Not be that it's not intentional, but based on family issues, family problems. So kind of friends we they mingle with. So for you to go put your hand for all those kind of things, be careful. Understand? Be careful. This our brother now. People when they house with them, they carry them women, they can't sell those women, all of them are prostitute, they can't put allegation for this, they be prostitute, all those kinds, they can't publish this guy Matana put for social media. The Italians now, they don't see this guy, see a Nigeria guy, a mafioso, a cultist, and the drug dealer, and now the people they find with this guy for house, who they see him with this guy for house, they see all those one now, they put allegation for them, say they be prostitution, and this guy now they use them until they do prostitution, now they traffic prostitution for the city. So many things there. So they put this guy for social media now. This guy now, Italians now call the comment. You know, say some don't still like, you know, the migrants. Some they under Savi back. Now they come to talk say Luciano Lomagisi now where they cry for them before, where they see when they leave them, when they give the document. See them now they don't they do drug level. See them now they don't do mafioso for the countryside. You know good. You know good. Make your hand clean. Just one person now, they don't thousands of people don't they comment for that video. Because Kara, the police go bust this guy, they video out, they go bust the house, enter the house. I will put the link for the description when you go look at the video. Go to my description, you will see the video. If you want to see the video, the way they come cram the guy. Understand? You can't be use the own now, can't spray people on. Now they can't say now we will be Nigerian, we now servicing with mafioso, will be drug dealer, everything. Now we get the highest women when they do prostitution. So those kind of things. I know say no easy, but small. You go to do that kind of level. If your dress where you wear, you go be like say you go buy for Gucci and the Versace. Then you go to wear your gold, your hand for wristwatch, the shoe go to shine. No thing have no sense. You know those kind of things, you need to dress like say be Chris person. You know good. You know the work, see the kind of dress. Why I don't go there for your body? I go there your body, though they monitor you. You need to remove your hand for all those kind of things. To use your own to spoil people own. Only one person now, they don't really spoil the rest, now all of us now the same thing, but we are not the same. So my brothers, my sisters, no let person or friends influence you with any bad thing for this country. Even family, explain things to them. You know easy. It's not easy for you to go put your hand for all those kind of thing. Tell them say you know they camp, you do on your own, you do straight, you do hustle. Do sure for you to go do that kind of things. Better for you to do sure for you to do that kind of things. Understand? If in the countryside don't tire you, you know guy you want to, you travel, move ahead to go on that countryside, go seek for asylum. Understand? To better your life. It's hustling ground. Europe is just hustling ground. You're moving for just to survive. Understand? Now they say you can't. They put you for prison now. Before you know, years go past. Before you go know, because if not you go back to your countryside, if you don't be careful, they can't inject you with the same thing. You can't go to your countryside, you can't wacko. You can't cycle for your countryside. So you need to be careful. You need to be careful. Yeah, Italy na your home. You don't need to spoil your home. If you go spoil outside or another place, but your home, you don't spoil it. Italy is your home. The first country you step your leg in is your home. That they call home. We call our home. We don't take. We call Italy our home. If you go any country, just go there, do what we want to do for that side. But here in our country, here in our home, we need to protect the home. We need to safeguard the home. No spoil. Use your hand spoil your home. If you spoil your home, you don't spoil everywhere. No good. No let our hand clean. So let me create this platform. We're going to educate ourselves to learn from each other. Understand? This kind of no good. Your documents now, before you go, to see documents go hard. Once you don't get that criminal case, drug criminal case, it is hard. Before you go see documents, it is hard. You like you marry heaven and hate, do waiting, heaven turn outside down. It is hard. See you don't get that criminal report. See maybe they cramp you, they can't put you for prison, they can't leave you. See God can't stand for you, they can't leave for many years. My brothers, my sisters, it is hard. It is hard. Now only God, if you can't make document, they can't look you for many years. See you just be clean. If you can't give you, but it is hard. So be careful, no rush. Go to school, learn the language. do your curriculum, do course, go any training course, training working course, do something just to make your curriculum, boost well. Go school, go get Aduwe, testament, that one still dey help for your curriculum to find job. Understand? Seasonal work still dey. Better you do farm work, do all this kind, hotel work. It's better. Many of my friends, they do hotel work. When the season come, they go do hotel work, use the money till dey for the rest months before another season go still come again. And so life na jeje. You want the rush, you want go build mansion for Nigeria or buy house in Nigeria. You want go to stay the house. Now once in many years, you still dey go the country for the Nigeria. Understand? When your hand reach, you go do. That's what life be. Understand? Anything you want to see, you want to build up your own mansion for this life. You don't come follow body after death. Your children will not be here you want born there. You born your children for you, and here they want to grow. Your children don't even send the house you build for your country. They don't send any car you buy for your country. Many models are coming out. Now here be their home, the Europe side. If you come they visit, don't be see they come carry the house, they see them carry for head. Understand? No go rush, go put yourself for public because your family they pump you, all this kind of thing. With your friends they say I don't die, I don't build my house. No, na small. If you want to build your, maybe you want 55 past them, but small till the day God will bless you with a better job. My brother and sisters, I beg more use and change it. This our brother now when they arrest for Torino now, you don't see everywhere the news. Understand? You don't say black do something, go be like say now everybody not do one. But their own, we know the carry for mind, we know the reason now. But if we do, we bless everybody doing. So we need to, arrange ourselves. I beg. Understand? More just love ourselves, arrange ourselves. More try to educate ourselves. You want to do that kind of thing, I beg. Try me you limit for all this kind of thing because the road now is too dangerous now. Because if they cramp you, my brother, years go pass for prison, years go pass, then you can't regret say why. And you can't come out, if your comments don't go give. I say, get one boy, they tell us if you tire for the countryside, tell us more not to go back, but document you no go give you. Understand? Because they catch and cash waiting, you not supposed to hold for hand. So be careful. Now the guy will face the roots of his crime. So my brothers and sisters, we're here to learn. So see you in my next video, and please stay connected. More videos will be coming in, and please share love to your people, show love to everyone. Please love one another. Let's love leaders. It's Kcee Brown TV show. Bye for now.